Hello. In this video, we'll replace the multiple occurrences of a particular word from a string. To get the code for this use case, go to kandi.openweaver.com. In this case, we'll search for remove multiple similar words from string Python. Hit find to see all the available code snippets, and we'll go with the top result as it matches our query. Now copy the code in a single click from here, go to the IDE and paste the code. Let's take a look at the code now. Here we import the required libraries. Then we define a function called remove_same that takes a string as input. Now this function is used to extract all alphanumeric and period characters from the string. Here a loop iterates over each word in a stripped list. For each word, a function is called to find any similar words within the list. Let's run the code now. And you have replaced multiple occurrences of a particular word from a string.